चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। ओरी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे।
Recognizing a problem, whether you see it happening to someone else, whether you feel ashamed, so you have to recognize that there's something wrong with the way I'm feeling. Or even if you're doing something, recognize that you're doing something wrong. Together, we form a helping hand.
So an environment or a space which ensures that the child does not face any harm or abuse or exploitation, and the child is able to, from the positive angle, is able to grow and able to progress, I would say, in a more integrated way. So how are we as duty bearers ensuring that safety?
अगर उस्ताद नहीं माने तो प्रिंसिपल से कहना चाहिए। अगर स्कूल के सामने आदमी खड़ा है तो प्रिंसिपल को बताना चाहिए।
So one thing that Enfold is consciously doing now is shift the focus from the child to the perpetrator. The whole shift is on the perpetrator. Earlier we used to say help the child to recognize, resist and report abuse. Now we are saying help the child, the parent, the teacher, whoever it is, help them recognize, resist and report the perpetrator.
Parents should be part of a good society and honest society. Parents need to teach their children to respect themselves and so that they can respect others.
हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए, हमने तुझ पे जहां भर के जुल्म किए, हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी ये ज़मीं तेरे।
This is really extremely appreciative. I appreciate Inventure Academy and the entire team that has been working towards it, the faculty and management. I think this is what we need more and more and more. Often children are dismissed, saying that, what do you know of the world? What do you know of things that's happening in relationships, behavior? Or you just listen to them because we are adults, we're experienced, we know better. But let me tell you, our experience in the last 15-20 years working with children closely is that they are the best to know what they need for themselves. And by capacitating them at the early years, you ensure that they grow up responsible as adolescents, as young persons and as young adults. I think that's very, very critical, and hats off to Inventure Academy for that.
With all of this, I think we're getting to children to express what they think and what they feel about safety, for them to understand being safe is so important, and how we can take it further from them, giving them a voice to express exactly what they think and what they feel, and just to give them feel important, empowered, so they feel they're partners in keeping themselves safe. It's not all done by adults. I think that's important.
The idea or the intent is not to make them paranoid or to mistrust or distrust any adult, but how to protect themselves and how to ensure that they are treated, as you said, with dignity and respect. That any person who comes forward to give them comfort or just shake a hand or give them a hug does it out of affection and out of respect for them, but not with an intent that is abusive. So I think we need to teach that child. And if you look at the West, every child is taught this.
ಈಗ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಚಾರ ಆದಾಗ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯರು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಬೇಕು.
So if there is any kind of abuse happening or teasing happening on the road, the bystander must take a stand and do something about it and not just stand and watch.
ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಜೀತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟು ಮರೆಯಬೇಡಿ, ಅವರ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಕೋಲೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ.
So we literally gave you a blank canvas and said, go and express your feelings, come up with recommendations, come up with solutions, tell us what makes you feel safe, tell us what makes you feel unsafe. So the charter that we've developed today is going to be circulated amongst the schools. We would like to get some feedback from you before we go to the government with it. And I'd actually like to invite at least one student leader from each of the schools to come with us when we get this appointment with the minister and the commissioner. Is that a deal?
We are positive that these children's voices that have been raised today are not in vain. They will be reflected in the policy which we hope and want the government to adopt for Karnataka.
ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी, किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना। ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया